Hello everyone, today I would talk about how to apply at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia. First of all, I would like to show you the current ranking of the King Abdullah University. If you search in Google, and I can see that national ranking is in the second position and world ranking is 304, and I can easily conclude that this is one of the great university to study in. So if you are eager to know how to apply in, stay tuned. Currently, if you are watching for this video before 30 June 2022 and you are lucky enough to have a chance to get the scholarship, currently it has a scholarship for master's PhD. So if you are intended to study over there on this area, I think this could be one of the great option for you. So this scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. It provides you monthly living allowance, it provides you transport expenses, medical insurance, relocation, and so on. So if you are interested, let's dig into it. First of all, I will apply for this scholarship. So the general rules of thumbs for this scholarship, you need to apply for admission first. Apply now. The first things, you need to provide your information. For me, I just provide you the basic information. Date of birth, degree of type. For example, I'm applying for master's or PhD, semester 2022 fall, and program I'm applying for computer science, for example. And if you have know more about specialization, also it's not required, optional. I just follow the required information. I need to provide the username, so scholarship union, password, just provide your desired password, verify password, and I acknowledge by submitting this data available to this institute. There you go. Okay, there's something wrong with the password. First of all, there is an instruction. The password contains at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one following special characters. So it could be anything but combination with these four types of character. It must need to be there. All done, acknowledge, submit. There you go. So your information has been received. Please click here to log in information. Just click provide your username, password. Alright, the first things first, once you successfully logged in, first applicant's personal information, zip code. I'm wondering, do I need to zip code? And this zip code is not in Saudi. Anyways, let's go. I agree, and then follow. Next, go. Yep, I don't have any application, so there's no status, to be honest. Start an application. Application for admission, start application. Okay, degree type. First of all, for me, maybe master's. Would you like to consider an offer to a degree? Yeah, why not? Program, I'm looking for computer science, specialized, again computer science. Which semester is required? Fall. Have you discussed with your application with a member of? No, for me. If you talk to anyone, please provide. Have you previously applied? No. If yes, provide the information. Save and continue. Sponsorship. Now you need to provide the sponsorship information. Are you sponsored by a third party for your study? No. For that mean? If yes, provide the information. Save and continue. Applicant name, that's done. Date of birth in Hijri calendar for Saudi citizen only. A male. Citizenship, maybe Germany. Marital status, married. No, the national ID doesn't record, nothing is required. Save and continue. Passport number is required. Passport scan. Yes, I missed that. Where is the passport number? Passport number, yeah. Yeah, that's my passport number. It must be 10 digit. What else? Passport scan. I need to provide the passport document. What I'm trying to do, I just download a sample PDF file. Why, I just go there, open, and try to upload it. Yeah, there you go. Once you're done, it seems done everything. Now save and continue. Now confirm your email. Contact information. Yeah, that's my email. I just want to confirm. Munchener Street, country Germany, state city Frankfurt. That's not. I just provide the city Frankfurt. I need to provide the zip code 60386. Sorry, 86. Mobile number 01. Address valid until end of December 2025. Skype username. Do. Facebook URL. No, it's not required. I don't want to provide. Permanent information. Is your permanent address the same as your current address? If yes, yeah, I would say yes. Nothing else to store. Go and continue. City or town or home phone is missing. One of the things I really don't like for this application is some HTML tag is showing in the validation form. Anyways, that's the fault of their application. Let's provide some information. One is city or town. That's why I need to provide. Anything else? City. That's why I provide. State. Although they mention about for US and Canada only, but I provide the Germany, they cannot accept it. Anyways, I just provide the Frankfurt again. Just go and try one more time. Now it's done. Now emergency contact details. It seems that it's not required. Let's see. Save and continue. Yep. Since I'm saying them that I'm applying for masters, so I must provide the bachelor information. What I'm doing, Bachelor of Engineering, major is computer engineering. For my case, just provide your suitable one. Country, of course, Germany. I don't know how to provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. FVC University. Then state, nothing. Date attended from, maybe 20. So month is 01 2016. Finish 2019 20. Actual expected graduation date 12/20/22. That's 2020. Overall original grade reported on your transcript, maybe 3.2. Grade scale out of 4. Is English is a primary language of your institution? Yes, it is. Upload document. Now academic record. Again, I provide the sample PDF file that I have already. I just provide it. Wait a minute. Institutions. Have you been dismissed or suspended from the institute? I didn't submit, by the way. No. And additional college or university. 3. Why? It doesn't. Okay. Just continue. Save and continue. You need to provide a statement of purpose and your CV. So first of all, I provide a statement of purpose. Same way, you just provide the file where you stored statement of purpose. Secondly, I'm looking for the CV. So of course I need to provide the CV. Upload file. Done. So far. Save and continue. Now, standardized test. Have you taken GRE? No. Have you taken, okay, test date? No, not. Is English native language? If yes, yes, otherwise no. For my case, no. TOEFL? No. IELTS? Yes. Test date probably maybe 10 of December, 10 of October 2021. Test result, listening 6. Overall band is 6 for me. It's just a random number. You just follow the IELTS score. Save and continue. There we go. The field format is the question need to be ZZ #. Okay, that could be for example, it could be 6.5, and overall score is 6.5. Now, if you have level 6, so what you will do 6.0. That's how you need to provide. Save and continue. Now, still one thing is missing: the test report form number. Where is that? Yeah, 17 or 18 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's try. Yes. Do you have any lab research experience? If you have, yes. Otherwise, no. For my case, no. Type of document, no. It's not required, I guess. Save and continue. Yes. Other information. Please enter. For me, it's not. How did you know about this? I would say just provide your things or other. I just follow the scholarshipunion.com. That's I follow. Save and continue. I can see that my application is done, and if I go for my dashboard, to be honest, I can see I have one application but not submitted. Edit application, once done, submit application. What I suggest, you go through every single part again and again, check everything, all the missing information, provide all the right information, check whether you did everything correctly or not, and if everything seems correct, submit the application. That's it. And of course, once submit, they will start to review. For example, if I go to dashboard right now, it seems application is there but not submitted, therefore it's kind of a warning. What you need to do, you just go there, apply, and you would say that application submitted or in review. And once it's done, you will see the notification either in email, or you need to come here again to see the notification if is there any updated. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, all the best for your application. And if you really like this video, feel free to share and like the bell icon of this video so that you will get other notification if we upload other video. Thank you.